So far, we have seen how to use printf to display text onto the screen. But what if we want to display the output in multiple lines? Or what if we want to display special characters like double quotes within the format string of the printf function? To do this, we need to understand a very special set of tools in C programming language, which is escape sequences. The concept of understanding the concept of escape sequences is very simple, but the kind of control these escape sequences are going to bring for the programmer to print the output onto the screen is very huge. So let's get started and let's try to understand the concept of escape sequences in this class. Let's start our discussion with a very important and very frequently used escape sequence, which is /n. Always remember that the escape sequences always start with backslash. So the next character is going to decide what kind of escape sequence we are going to use. The first one is /n, means new line. Means whenever we use /n within the format string of the printf function, a new line will get created. What does that mean is the cursor will immediately move on to the next line and the remaining part of the printf function will get printed in the next line. So let's understand this concept by using an example. So here we are having a printf, and in this printf we used the escape sequence /n, means new line. Means whenever the context is printing, whenever the compiler is printing this printf function, whenever it identifies /n, immediately the cursor will be moved to the next line and the remaining part of the printf will be printed from the starting point of the next line. So let's see the output. So this is how the output will get printed. So immediately after hello, the cursor has been moved to the next line and the remaining part of this printf has been printed in the next line. So this is how a programmer can print the output in multiple lines. Okay. So that is the use of this /n escape sequence. And the next one is /t. So this is /t, and the /t is used for horizontal tab. So what does that mean? So what does that mean is whenever we want to create a horizontal tab space within the text of the format string, then we are going to use this /t. So let's try to understand this by using these examples. So I have taken two examples. Here we are having name, and after that we used this /t. /t means horizontal tab, horizontal space. And after that I want to print wisdomers, and after that I used another escape sequence which is /n. Means after printing this wisdomers, I want the cursor to move on to the next line. So if you don't give this, what happens? So the context of this printf will get printed from here. Okay. So new line will allow the cursor to move on to the next line, or else it will go straight. Okay. So that you need to understand. Okay. Now in this, what we have used is, sorry, I forgot here. So this is a /t has been used here. And by using this /t, I am expecting a tab space. So let's see the output, how it is getting printed. So this is how the output is getting printed. Here name, and after that colon, some tab space has been provided. So this is used for alignment of the text. Whenever you want to align the text in a beautiful way, then tab space helps a lot. /t helps a lot. And after this, a new line. So this is where this new line got executed. The cursor has been moved onto this line, and now this line is getting printed. So here topic and a tab space has been created. And after that, the content of the printf is getting printed, which is escape sequences. And the third and very important escape sequences, or we have taken two escape sequences in one single one, which is /double and /. What are these? Whenever we want to print special characters. What is these special characters? Means, for example, if you take any printf statement, double quotes are mandatory, means these are the special characters. These characters is having some meaning for the compiler. But what if we want those double quotes to be used within the format string? I want those double quotes and backslashes. So backslash is used in the context of escape sequence, right? /t, /n. But what if I want to use those backslashes and double quotes within the format string of the printf function? There might be a need, right? So while printing the text onto the screen, we might need in printing the backslash or double quotes. Because they are special characters, we need to use a certain format. So that is how we need special characters to be printed. Whenever special characters like double quotes and backslashes are to be printed, now we have to use like this. So this literally means that I want only these double quotes to be printed, and this means I want only this double quote backslash to be printed onto the screen. Okay, so now this printf statement, let's see this printf statement. Here these double quotes are used as the syntax. And what about, I want these double quotes to be printed literally within the string. So then I have to give this slash double quotes, and I want at the end another double quotes to be printed, and this is the actual syntax. Now what is the output here? Double quotes are getting printed in the output. So whenever we need special characters like double quotes and backslashes to be printed within the format string, this is how the escape sequences will help us. And here path is C //, and among these two backslashes I want only this backslash to be printed, and here this backslash will get printed. Now what is the outcome? The path is C:\users /admin. So that is how special characters are getting printed by using this escape sequences. And the last one of the very important and frequently used escape sequence is /a. For what this /a is? It is used to make that alert bell sound. So whenever we want to create an alert to the end user, means some bell sound will ring whenever we are going to use this escape sequence /a alert. A bell sound will get you will be able to hear that bell sound in our computer. Means if you are using these earphones, then you will be able to sense that. So I request all of you to just use this printf statement within your sample program, so that you can sense that bell sound, some bell sound, alert bell sound. You will be able to hear after using this. Means after printing this input, invalid input, this bell sound you are going to hear. Okay, so that is all about escape sequences. And apart from whatever we have learned in this class, there are many other escape sequences available, but we are not going to understand every escape sequence. Whenever the context comes, we will understand every escape sequence in detail in that context. And one more very important escape sequence is /0. So this is very important. We will understand, we will take a separate class on this where we are going to deal with the concepts of strings. Okay, there we will understand the concept of this /0. Okay, so this is all about the concept of escape sequences. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next class.